my beautiful sunshine gang, and hey to everybody else. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a fall makeup look by using my e.l.f. putty primer. I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Come back on here and I'll disappear and I come back. I'm sorry for the inconsistency, but it feels like going to school full time and then working full time. I still haven't felt the balance of it, so I'm just gonna put it like this. You see me when you see me, but when you see me, just know it's gonna be some great content. Just know that. But everything has been good. School is going good. Work is going great. Really good. I have no complaints about anything. I'm just trying to be in a more positive headspace and just thinking about what my future is going to be like. Not just for me, but you know, for my kids too. And next I'm going to be using my e.l.f. bite size eyeshadow, and it is in the shade Berry Bad. I feel like I just haven't done a talk through video in a minute, or just to talk to y'all, just to see how y'all doing, just to, you know, check up on y'all. I haven't done a video like this in a while. Now everything, it's kind of hard to keep up with what YouTube is doing. It's like they switch up things so much, and it just make it hard. In my opinion, it just makes it hard for us, like very small content creators, you know, who only have 1,000 subscribers, or who haven't even got monetized yet, you know, things like that. And then it's like everything you have to do now, it has to be trending. Oh, you have to do this to get noticed. You have to do this to be trending. You have to do this to get this many views. And I feel like it's just not genuine anymore. It's not real. I'm gonna be using this shade right here. And if y'all want to know what I'm going to school for, I'm going to school for healthcare administration. And I go to Colorado Technical University, so I go to an online college. So let me know if anybody else goes to school online, or if you go to the same university as I do. Let me know. Because we can network like that too. And what are you going to school for? And I'm also trying to get my certified nursing assistant license. I've been working on it too. So do we have any nurses out there? Let me know. Or anybody who works in the medical field. I would love to know the details. I like this shade because it's like it's the same color as my skin, and not like a natural look. Or you could do something with this, but you don't have to do too much. And I'm just gonna blend it on out with this blending brush right here. Just gonna blend, blend, blend. So, what is y'all's fall bucket list? Don't laugh at me when I tell y'all this, but my fall bucket list is to go to the pumpkin patch. Don't laugh at me, because I have never been to the pumpkin patch. And if I have been when I was younger, I don't remember. But I want to go. As grown as I am now, I want to go to the pumpkin patch with my kids. Well, mainly my little girl, because my boys, they don't want to go. I guess they feel like they're too old to go, so I'm not going to pressure them into going. But yeah, I want to go to the pumpkin patch. It's like, it reminds me of a bronze color. This color right here, right beside it. And I'm just gonna paint this color right here all over my eyelid. And if y'all haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment down below. Let me know that you became a part of my beautiful sunshine gang. I'm not that advanced, y'all, so I like to keep it simple. I like to work with what I got, you know. What I know how to do, I'll do it well. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place IL Makiage matte foundation, and it is in the shade 450, and it is full coverage. And I'm not gonna be using a lot of this. I'm just gonna be using a little. It's kind of yellow. I didn't think it would be this yellow. And I am glad that I didn't go all in with this foundation. I just hope it blends well. I was not expecting this foundation to be this yellow. But I give you the label its props, because this is definitely full coverage. I just don't want to go around here looking like an orange. Down, because this is, y'all, look at this. I probably should have went, instead of going a shade up, I probably should have went a shade down. And I didn't even use that much. I only use this much right here. So it don't take a lot to have a full coverage with this foundation. But, ooh, let's just see how this looks when it's settling in. I'm just gonna pray and hope for the best. At this point, y'all, we're just gonna trust the process, okay? Because I have it bad about just blend. I have to blend in my makeup so good that it matches my skin tone. That's how bad I blend in my makeup. But you know what? We're going to trust the process, and we're just going to let the makeup settle in. Next, I'm going to be using my IL Makiage concealer in the shade e.l.f. Flawless. And I don't know if y'all remember me doing a review on this concealer before, but it was a while back. I will link it up here in the cards so y'all can go watch that. But I'm gonna be honest, I done had this concealer for a while, because it's like my good concealer, so I don't use it that much. Only like when I'm doing videos, or of getting dressed up to go somewhere, which is hardly ever, but yeah, that's when I pull this out. How is the weather? Because I know in Arkansas, it was 29 degrees yesterday morning. It was super duper cold. Like, my little girl, she had on gloves. She had on her jacket. She had on her boots. She was like, Mama, I'm not going to be cold at the bus stop. I was like, I do not blame you. And I had to stay on to my boys. I got 2 teenage boys, y'all. 2 teenager boys. And my little girl, she's 11. I had to stay on my boys about constantly putting the jacket on. Like, it is not summertime. It is fall. And it is cold. So, y'all need to get a jacket. Like, in the daytime, it warm up to like 60, 70, 80 degrees. At this point, this weather is doing what it want to do and not giving nobody no warning signs. You can see, give y'all a close up. Look how good this concealer blends in. Now that we got that out the way, I'm gonna do something a little different, y'all. I'm going to put on some blush. Y'all know I don't do the blush. Put it on my cheeks. This brush. And I'm just gonna, go around and around in circles. Yeah, that looks a whole lot better. There we go. Okay, next I'm going to be using this same palette. And I'm gonna use this highlighter right here. And this is also from e.l.f. It's the highlighter and blush duo. It's in the shade Lychee. And it don't take that much, like, it don't take that much product to use this highlight. That, like, you're gonna be glistening. You're gonna be getting your shine on. Time to contour. And I'm using my Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Call Me Maple. Let me know if y'all have kids or are you going trick-or-treating. And if you don't have kids, what are your plans if y'all celebrate Halloween? I know I'm going to be at work. That's all I'm going to be doing, be at work. I don't know if I want to, because I never really just got into the Halloween spirit. So, I don't know if I want to, like, dress up for Halloween or not. I don't know, do y'all ever dress up for Halloween? Do y'all go to haunted houses? Or do y'all just chill at home? This I'm going to be using my Blinc mascara. And this is some good mascara. I don't think I would ever pay $30 for some mascara. Not by itself. I just want y'all to see the difference. Y'all can see the difference. It works. This is some good mascara. Okay, I feel like I got this. I feel like I got my life together, y'all. This is the final look right here. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section below. And happy fall. And I will see y'all in my next video.